Hi guys, here's how you solve these Halloween magic reveal puzzles. You'll see the addition equation in the A column. You're going to put your answer always in the B column. So 0 plus 10, well I know 0 plus anything is the other number, so if I have 10, I add nothing, my answer is 10. Then as soon as I go hit my down arrow to the next box, if my answer was correct, look at that, part of my mystery picture is revealed. If you want to see the whole thing, you can zoom out. So let's try 100. There, now you can see part of it. So 7 plus 6. Well, if I know 6 plus 6 is 12, and I add one more, I'm going to say 13. There's the other part of my picture. Now let's say I get something wrong. 16 plus 0, let's say I type in 0. I can tell that my answer is probably not correct because nothing in my picture changed. So I can go back to that box, hit backspace, 16 plus 0, oh, I know that, that's 16. And then I can go down, oh, there's part of my picture. So if you get all of them right, by the time you get down to row 25, you will see what the mystery picture is. There's also, I want to just show you, oh, it's a little, let's see, there we go. So this is challenge 1. There's a challenge 2, 3, 4, and 5 to work on. Oh, that was 5. So, there's 5 different mystery Halloween themed pictures for you to go solve. Have fun!